Integrations: Gmail, Microsoft Outlook, and LinkedIn via Chrome extension. Set up and create a link to your content directly from Gmail, Microsoft Outlook, or LinkedIn. To start working with the Pitch Avatar Chrome extension, install it on Chrome Web Store. LinkedIn: when the extension is installed properly, you will see the icon of a presentation chart next to the emoji icon in the LinkedIn's message interface. Microsoft Outlook: when the extension is installed, you will see the presentation icon before From field in new message window. Gmail: when the extension is installed, you will see the icon and title Presentation under Subject field in new message window. How it works: by clicking on Pitch Avatar icon you can select a presentation or upload a new one in the same way as in the web application. Click on the link icon in place before its name. The General Link Settings window opens. You can edit the name, choose the slide to start, enter the calendar link, and choose the admin for the presentation and on-off notifications. You can choose Show Advanced Settings. There you can set up the level of details, options available to listeners, lead form, and more. The Personalization tab will automatically insert the contact's name and profile picture to be added to their personalized link. Once you set up and send the presentation to the contact, you can receive notifications and track analytics just as you would create them in a web application.